Nothing beats some fresh baked beans, especially off the smoker. These are going to be delicious. Also, nothing beats a collection of motorcycles in your shop. Say hello. Ooh. We got some more out here too. Gee. Huh. It's just a few. You know, you never know what you want to ride one day. It could be a Softail or Dyna, or, you know, it's just good to have options, you know. I mean, hell, maybe even one day you want to ride a Honda kind of sport cruiser thing, an ST1300. Or maybe you want to ride a Suzuki Boulevard or an old 94 Evo. Everybody loves the Evo. Last but not least, maybe you want to ride my baby, the Blue Ghost. Yeah. I guess it just depends. Or you come down here and buy one of these bikes off of me. Got plenty ready for spring.